Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
teleprompters.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to connect NEEWER's X12 teleprompter with the new and improved Teleprompter Remote. A common mistake among users is trying to connect the remote via Bluetooth in their device settings, but the remote doesn't connect to your device. It connects to the app. Let me show you how. If you haven't already, begin by downloading and installing the Teleprompter app on your iOS or Android device. You can always scan the QR code located in the remote's instruction manual, or by visiting your app store and searching for NEEWER Teleprompter. Long press the power button to turn on the remote. A blue indicator light will start flashing on the screen. Go to your device and open the Teleprompter app. If you haven't already created a login, you can do so at this time, or use the guest mode. If you are prompted to give the app permission to use Bluetooth, please
Hi guys, it's Taylor here. Today I'm going to show you the ILOKNZI teleprompter. It comes with this really nice carrying case here. Really great on protecting your product. Let's open it up and I'll show you how to put this thing together. Alright. First thing you'll probably notice is that it's got its own instruction manual. We'll use that. It's got the glass template. Alright, we'll put that aside for now. It's got the shadow box. I'll show you how to put that together. And lastly, it's got the metal bracket that is going to connect the whole thing together. I'll show you how to use that soon. And don't forget, there's two sets of nuts. We got our steel plastic screws, and we have our black metal screws, alright? So don't lose those. Keep those together. I'm going to put our carrying case over to the side for now. And let's take a look at this instruction manual together, alright? Let's open this one up. Yep, there's all of our items. Make sure that you have all 4 of these. This is going to show you everything that you need to do. Okay? So, first step, let's put the metal bracket together. Alright? Let's follow the steps. First, I'll show you how to put this metal bracket together. So here's the metal bracket. Comes in 2 pieces. Here's our first piece. what you're going to do is you're going to connect these and you're going to slide it right on in. Okay? That's slidable. You can adjust that.
How's it going, guys? Thanks again for visiting my channel. Today I'm reviewing here a brand new release from GVM. This is actually the second teleprompter that I review here. So this one is the GVM TQ-LD, which features an 18.5-inch Android tablet here, which you can see your tablet can actually read this from up to 20 feet away or even more, because the farther the teleprompter is, the less the eyeball moves, especially if the talent has a talent to actually read off the teleprompter. He can actually move his head like this, or the arm like this, right? I could be reading this right now and it's still looking like this here, like I'm not reading anything, right? So today I'm reviewing the TQ-LD teleprompter, which GVM sent this to me here for me to check it out, and all my words and opinions, they are my own. This video is not sponsored by GVM and I don't get paid to say anything here. 3 weeks ago I reviewed the GVM TQ-L, and this is no different than the other one. Everything features the same exact thing here. Very rigid walls, very nice zippers. I don't see nothing breaking here easily, so this is designed to last apparently. And everything here that mounts your camera, this whole rail, the camera block here, everything is made of metal. There's nothing plastic here. Same exact thing all the way to the front there. This teleprompter here essentially lets you actually adjust the camera this way here, and also the fact you can actually rise or lower the camera. Pretty much anything from a DSLR camera such as the Canon 1DX Mark III, or to a little Canon M50 little mirrorless camera, or any other Sony mirrorless camera, including the Canon C500, the cinema cameras, the C300, whatever it is here.
Hi, I'm SN29 from
about spectrums and vegan.
one more.
NEEWER Remote Teleprompter X17. Take back time with NEEWER's biggest teleprompter yet. Tear up the script and make that time-consuming chore of memorizing lines a thing of the past. Get fully set up and ready to roll the camera thanks to the assembly-free design. Simply mount on your tripod and you're ready to go.
Communicate with the audience with direct eye contact as you look right into your camera through the beam splitter glass, which can be read from up to 4 meters away, tilt at 135 degrees for optimal viewing, and clearly readable projected text from your device.
NEEWER's biggest teleprompter within the range currently, with upgraded QR support plate for larger devices up to 20 kilograms and height adjustable. Fully expandable, allowing you to add a mic, LED lights or other accessories thanks to the integrated cold shoes. Widely compatible with most types of smartphone or tablet devices, it is sturdy with aluminium construction, yet lightweight in design for the needs on the go. Hear the RT110 remote with your tablet inside NEEWER's Teleprompter app via Bluetooth connection. With one simple press, you can pause, speed up or down, and turn pages with ease. And make that time-consuming chore of memorizing lines out on your tripod, and you're ready to go.
Communicate as you look right in, which can be read from up to 4 meters away from your device.
NEEWER's biggest teleprompter within the up to 20 kilograms and height adjustable. LED lights or devices, it is sturdy with aluminium construction. Hear the RT110 remote with your tablet inside NEEWER's Teleprompter app via Bluetooth connection.
X17 Remote Teleprompter.
NEEWER.